Okay, I'm going to do this video really quickly and then go to sleep because it's 4:50 in the morning and I've been up all forever. Um, so I'm coming back, everybody. I'm coming back with YouTube, on YouTube, and I'm coming back hard. And I'm doing some videos, and I just want to tell you what's going to go on and what to expect for 2011. Um, Natural hair, perhaps some fashion. I'm actually in my PJs now, so I'm not quite fashionable, even though I have my earrings on and my face done. But some fashion. Unfortunately, for everyone who subscribed because of interracial dating, there will be no interracial dating videos. It may come across in my speech. When I talk about relationships, the relationships will be dealt with. The relationships not only between man and woman, but between mother and daughter, daughter and father, siblings, just relationships. And also, I think that may have covered it. Oh, singing. For everybody who commented on the singing and had positive things to say and sat through that long, long, long video. I'm watching my time, trying not to make the same mistake twice. I'm grateful. Thank you. Thank you for not butchering me, for talking on and on. Thank you for actually liking my voice. I don't know if it's the audience that Kanon has, that they're such beautiful people that they have nothing bad to say, or if it's just the singing. But I'm grateful and I thank you. So if you haven't subscribed, check out my video with me singing. Fast forward, take my word for it. I talk forever. Fast forward. I don't know the times on that. Check out what other people say when I actually get singing. But fast forward, watch that. I have a natural hair journey video, which I'm actually going to leave up, but I'm going to make a new one because I have so many pictures. I don't know what that was about. I just wanted to throw one out there to have one out. But check that out. And then check out what's to come. So, yeah, I hope you had happy holidays. I hope you're enjoying the festivities and you're spending time with family and friends and loved ones. And a lot of and I hope that you have a beautiful new year. I don't post a video till after then. Be natural, be beautiful, be you, and be blessed.